is my story. Wait, nah, this is our story. This is our fate. This is our kingdom. This is our place. This is our freedom. Cut off them chains. This is our struggle. This is our pain. This is our love. This is our trust. This is our daughters. This is our sons. Give me back my wings. Oh, give me back my wings. See, I just wanna fly again. Wanna try, you fell, try to try again. Head up in the stars, I promise I'm higher than the right person for the job you hired to fire them. Are we working for the same thing, towards the same goal? Are we losing the passion of which we came for? Are we strong but identifying the same flaws? Fighting each other but battling for the same cause. Let me breathe, ain't got the time to be your enemy. That shit is draining and taking up too much energy. I'd rather invest in something that's worth it, the time is precious. If it seems to waste it, it's something that you'll never see. Hold me to it, everything is just a memory. It's getting more distant and ever more distant. And I remember I'm not fucking about getting more vicious than ever. I'll be fine as long as I got my head up. Breathe. I ain't prayed in a minute. Before you judge me, hold that thought and let me finish. For a long time I thought that praying was just asking for things like the road to riches and diamond rings. But now I know that I just gotta be thankful. Blessings every day, shit, I got my hands full. Lessons every day, I'm learning from all angles. Mum, stop stressing over shit that I'ma handle. Don't you know? You see me got you, I ain't even gotta say it. The album's here, I hope you love it, hope you play it. I know you knew this day will come, I know you prayed it. Can't wait to look at you and tell you that I made it. See, it's amazing. Good things come to the people that wait, and I waited. Tell me, do you believe the quote above I stated? Nobody handed me a dream, I had to chase it. I had to be business-minded and put aside my feelings. I had to find my own truth, my own meanings. Wrote this in the same bedroom that it started in. Had to dream big, had to look beyond my ceiling. Do you feel it? Feel it. Hand on my heart, if only you could feel the way it's beating. I mean it, I mean it. This the type of music that ain't never gonna sell well. Should've never ever told me that. Should've never ever told me that. What if I prove you wrong? Tell me now, could you live with that? No, you wouldn't wanna live with that. I ain't saying this will go to #1, no, I ain't saying that. I know you know that I ain't saying that. I just wanna do this all for my people, fuck the rest. Give you realness every time, nothing more, nothing less. And it goes like, no time for these low lives. I'm onto something big, all thanks to the most high. Becoming more relentless and less defensive, it's in my mechanism. Don't give a fuck about cosigns, never scared of giving them something that's too real. They don't have to play this, I know that you will, and you will. No, you can't ignore it. Many of us want this life, but just ain't cut for it. Yeah, so don't you ever forget who told you this. No, don't you ever see, this is for your kids. Yeah, don't you ever overlook this here. So this is our message, this is our faith, this is our voice, this is our names, this is our new. No, we want change. This is our sun, this is our rain, this is our win, this is our fail, this is our hands. How can we help? This is our heaven, this is our hell, this is our story, this is our tell, our tell.